An avalanche is a sudden downhill movement of snow. For an avalanche to form, 4 things are needed.
Snow cover, a trigger, steep slopes up to 50 degrees, and a weak layer in the snow cover.
Loose snow avalanches are a powdery avalanche which originate from a single point.
Slab avalanche is a large-scale avalanche formed when a slab of ice and snow breaks away from the main ice pack.
Causes of avalanches: heavy snowfall, overhanging snow ledges, deforestation, sudden temperature changes, layering of snow, steep slopes more than 30 degrees, off-piste.
Consequences of avalanches: roads and railways blocked, buildings destroyed, power supplies cut off, and people killed and injured.